Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, a name that echoes in all corners of the world. The boy who left the island of Madeira to become a living legend of soccer. But his journey was not built solely on goals and trophies. It was shaped by pain, resilience, and an unbreakable willpower. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on the small island of Madeira, Portugal. The son of Maria Dolores and José Dinis Aveiro, his childhood was not easy. His family struggled financially, and his mother even considered terminating the pregnancy, fearing she would not be able to raise him. Dolores even tried homemade methods to induce an abortion, but without success. However, destiny had already mapped out his journey. From a very young age, Cristiano showed an incredible talent for soccer. He played barefoot in the streets, chasing a dream. At 7 years old, he joined the small club Andorinha, where his father worked as a kitman. That's where his path to stardom began. By the age of 10, he was already catching the attention of scouts and was taken to Nacional da Madeira, where he stood out even more. At 12 years old, Ronaldo moved to Lisbon to join the Academy of Sporting Clube de Portugal. Away from his family, he cried almost every night, but he never gave up. He overcame challenges, including a heart surgery at 15 that could have ended his career before it even started. However, the young boy from Madeira returned to training just days later, determined to become the best. In 2002, at the age of 17, he made his debut for Sporting's first team and quickly caught the attention of football giants. In 2003, after a brilliant performance against Manchester United, Sir Alex Ferguson decided to sign him. Ronaldo wore the legendary number 7 jersey for the Red Devils and began his meteoric rise. In England, he won 3 Premier League titles, his first UEFA Champions League trophy, and, in 2008, his first FIFA World Player of the Year award. But he wanted more. In 2009, he was introduced at Real Madrid in a record-breaking transfer. At the Spanish club, Cristiano established himself as one of the greatest players in history. He became Real Madrid's all-time top scorer, won for Champions League titles, for Ballon d'Or awards, and shattered unimaginable records. He spent 9 years wearing the iconic white jersey, leaving an unparalleled legacy. But even at the peak of glory, he faced profound losses. In 2005, Cristiano lost his father to alcoholism, a pain he would carry forever. Without witnessing his son achieve worldwide stardom, José Dinis Aveiro passed away, marking one of the biggest heartbreaks in Ronaldo's journey. And in 2022, he suffered another tragedy, the loss of one of his twin babies during childbirth. Alongside Georgina Rodriguez, he publicly shared his grief, thanking fans and friends for their support. A devastating blow, but one that strengthened his bond with his family even more. Despite all the hardships, Ronaldo never stopped. He played for Juventus, where he won domestic titles and broke more records before returning to Manchester United in 2021. However, his return to the Red Devils was tumultuous, and in 2022, after terminating his contract, he embarked on a new adventure, signing with Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. Cristiano Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or awards: 2008, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2017, was named FIFA World Player of the Year 5 times, and became the all-time top scorer in UEFA Champions League history. Additionally, He fulfilled a collective dream by leading Portugal to victory in the 2016 European Championship and the 2019 UEFA Nations League. Today, with over 900 career goals and as the highest goal scorer in football history, Cristiano Ronaldo continues to challenge the limits of what is possible. His journey is not just about talent but about sacrifice, overcoming adversity, and an insatiable desire to win. And so, the legend continues, because for Cristiano Ronaldo, every game is a new opportunity to make history.